How are we doing, boaters? We have a 250 Intrigue that just got into the Nisswa showroom. This is the RL layout. Really nice interior that we have here. Have the Simrad display, and new for 2026 is that everything is on your steering wheel. Have a 6-inch raised helm too. Also new pop-up tables with underneath. Dog dishes here. Huge storage locker. Got a nice pop-out trash can. And an area I want to hit is this lounger setup. This is massive. You can still fit life jackets and anything you need underneath. You can also change this 7 different ways of how you want to lay out. Nice big ski tow bar in the back, powered by a Mercury 350 V10. Very beautiful boat that we just got in. Come check it out at MarineMax Nisswa.